Good morning, student. Hope all of you well and hope all of you properly completed the first chapter. The first chapter is introduction chapter in class 7 and this chapter name is starting the medieval period. Okay. In this video we are going to discuss some questions. These are important for your upcoming exam. So we can say this is the revision video. Okay. Now look the first chapter exercise, first question. The medieval period the medieval period of India is from. Look, we all know in previous class 6 we have studied the ancient India. Okay, in class 7 we have studied about the medieval period of India, and this is general information that we know. Indian history divided into three period or three sections: ancient period, medieval period, modern period. Okay, in your class we are going to read medieval period. That's why the question comes, which is the medieval period of India? So question is, which is the duration? What is the duration of the medieval time? Then the answer is 8th century to or 8th century, maybe it will be right answer. 18th century. Okay, this is the first answer. Second one. Okay, Deep Dharma Prakash was written during the reign of this is very important literature of medieval period, Dravya Pariksha. Okay, and in sources of history we have discussed about the literature sources, and Dravya Pariksha was written during whose reign, and the answer is Alauddin Khilji. Okay, Ras Tarangini, very important text. Author of Raja Tarangini. Okay, question is, who was the author of Ras Tarangini? Very important text. Some people say this is the first Indian history book. Okay, although the Ras Tarangini is the history of Kashmir, and from Ras Tarangini we can know about the history of Kashmir. Now the question, who was the author of Ras Tarangini? And this answer is very easy, Kalhan. Okay, Kalhan was the author of this book. Now next one. Next one, a caste of scribe who became powerful during medieval period. Okay, look, in medieval period we find various type of caste like society, caste and other clans like Rajput, Jat, Pathan. These are the clans, and caste, various type of caste. In our country, if you go to find caste, then you find huge number of caste. But their question is, which caste became the more powerful in medieval period? And the answer is castes. Okay. Now next question. Marco Polo. Marco Polo was a foreign traveler form. And sources of history, when we are discussing about sources of history, there is a point, foreign travelers. Okay, in foreign traveler section, we have discussed about Marco Polo. And Marco Polo is very famous traveler from Italy. Although Marco Polo was a traveler and some people say businessman came to India for business purpose, but his writing, I need to say that his book is very important for Indian history. Okay, that's why the answer is Italy. Okay, now look, here only discuss 5 questions, but this chapter is big, so you can discuss all questions. Like, listen, first of all, like, who was Al-Biruni? Okay, who was Al-Biruni? Niccolo Conti, Al-Biruni. Niccolo Conti, sorry. First of all, read all these important names and foreign travelers, who they are or where from them. That means these are the very important section of this chapter. And some other important cartography. Okay. This is another important question, cartography. And we all know cartography is the skill of making map. Okay, cartography related with map making. Okay, cartography related with map making. And here is another question, who is cartographer? Okay, cartography means map making, and related question, who is cartographer? Then the answer is a person who is able in cartography is cartographer. Always remember this. These are the very short-term question and very important question of this chapter. And other important section, obviously read the section. Look, there is another important, like Tariq-e-Firuz Shahi, who written Tariq-e-Firuz Shahi, Babarnama, Humayunnama. Read this type of question, who was the author of Babarnama, Humayunnama. I mean to say that literary sources and archaeological source and foreign traveler. Read this section very well, cartography and other short question or other important question, read properly. Although this is big chapter and read properly, and these are the very important question. And some other important question, like some student asked me, there is a question, name the 6 artifacts that were used as archaeological source to know about the medieval period. There is a question, 6 artifacts. You can easily put 6 names: monument, coins, inscription, tools, weapons, and we can say fort, palace. Okay, these are some important questions of this chapter. Hope all of you understand all of this and practice all chapters properly. Thank you.